Hello everyone, good evening, and today is my the 13th day of English speaking practice, and today I want to discuss today prepare already I prepared for what would we speak. So now I want to take the topic what I am prepared for. What have I what what did I prepare? What did I prepare? So first of all, I discuss. First of all, now let's move to the topics and to the topic. Why, why, why I need to? Why did I need to learn this language? Basically, I most of the videos I discussed that right. Why did I learn this language? I learned this language basically for my placement journey because in corporate sectors mostly people are communicating English, and if you don't know, so you must be face the problem while doing a job. So basically, first of all, you decide that to learn this language, and you start to work on your communication because it will provide it will provide the it will provide the path to and show the right way of, and gives also as well it's give the opportunity to grow in your life, and you should you should start to learn this language because I advise that to you should start to learn this language because this language is very important for your career and your journey, and because mostly clients are communicate in English while doing a job because if you are engineers or doctor or any other field, it must speak in English because when you when the clients are come to the other states, so like India has the India people speaks the multiple languages, so you need to learn the and in those language English is the common language, and you should try to learn this language, and you should try to give them with 12 or 13 minutes every day to speak this language, and within the 1 year or 2 years and in 6 months you can definitely to learn this language with the daily practice, and practice become a perfect, everyone knows that, and one more things before starting this before start to speak this language, while because I choose the path of learning this language to that I speak this language while walking on road because this is the good way to speak, and you cannot feel like lazy while speaking because there is no option, and you always just like you always feels like why am I come here, why am I come here, so you just start to just you maintain your just you in the subject speak because I know that why am I coming on the road, so that's why, yeah, that is a good thing to that is good that is a good step to take myself, and you should also take this step to learn this language, it will help them to grow, and I basically why I am to this language one question I have completed, so next before starting this language I have fear the lots of fear of forgetting things, fear of judging the people, most of the people they judge, most of the people they judge, they only you think like this, the people they judge you, but the people are not judging you, people they don't have a time to think about you, people have not time to think about your life, they have just enjoy that moment when you start to speak, enjoy the moment while when you are given the speech of any platform, at that moment people are just is laughing at you nahi, not you, your words, you have a you hesitates, but this is the normal process, this is the people laugh at you, and when you speak you will be that people when you start to speak, when you become the fluent, and same people are saying that why, wow, you are very fluent, you speak very well in front of people, so this is the people, and people are, if you if you are on the right track, people shall support you. But if you are wrong path, you are doing something bad, something illegal, then same people are uh, not support you. They on they they defend you. So, all these things, and so I'm facing a lots of problem while speaking this language in front of people, in front of anyone, in anywhere, anyway, just I start to speak this language. I know that this is my 13th day of English speaking practice, and I feel like very confident to speak, and in my mind I don't think of what should I speak. Just in my mind gradually comes the sentences to speak here, and I speak, and and the, and and English is not like stuck to converting the sentence like Hindi to English. English is just it is the like just you start to think like English. When you think like English, when you think like when you think English, that they to speak and speak very well, confident, speak confidently in any to anywhere. And before taking this step, I face the problem. I used to face the problem while speaking in front of, but nowadays I am confident to speak anywhere in front of anyone to convey my ideas, to thought to other person. So this is the confidence. It's when it's come while practice. Without practice, I don't speak anywhere. And you don't speak anywhere. So you just need to start this language to speak, and to take the step. You have to take this step. You should have to take this step to speak this language. No other option to. No, you don't. You no other option to learn. No other option have you to learn this language, because any other no option. You should start to speak. Even sometimes, even though you feel like a struggle in initial phase, but after some days, after few days, you you are feels like a confidence. You are motivated to just when you convey our thoughts and feelings in front of anyone, anywhere. Just you feel like happy. So I learned this language, and this and now I also cover this topic like why. So before starting this language, why I am feeling like this. So next topic is fear of judging, also completed. Now. Now I'm writing the my now what is the struggle of my life. Now I struggling like I'm due to the discipline, due to my discipline, like I did not maintain my consistency. Like sometimes I feel like a demotivated, but I try to give my 100% to the study. I don't want to give the anywhere. So just I focus my dream and earning the money, and lots of money, because I want to become the crorepati in life, and I earn the lots of money, and whatever I if I want to or if I want to purchase something, just I purchase it. I don't want something to more and more about that. So this is just like today I think like I want to purchase a car. So tomorrow I will purchase this car. Tomorrow I will purchase. So that is my mindset to have this time. So basically you should also think like this, and basically, and also one more problem I have. Here's the problem, but I have multiple problems in my life. So and basically why I relate the problems whatever I speak here. Now I want to discuss the how you can stay motivated, stay disciplined, stay consistent. It has a multiple way to deliver. Like you should choose different. You should choose the path where you can walk, and you should lead our daily routine like exercise, yoga, gym, if you are sitting, so you can go to the gym, like a whole day you are studying, and if you whole day you study and all this household chores, so anything, whatever you do, just evening or morning if you go to the gym, so your stress level is down, and you live, you look like physically fit, and your mentally fit, and you think whatever you do gives our 100% while while working on these topics. So basically all these things are happening, and basically all these things are just to relate. I can I I I, I want to explain these topics as properly, but whatever I what जितना हो सकता है, as much as possible I can deliver it, as much as I could deliver it, I do it. What am I saying? Mostly when you like don't come the English sentence in your mind, just convert in Hindi, just try to at that moment to switch the English to Hindi. Basically this is not a crime, you should change the pace of speaking. You just took a pause at that moment, and even 5 seconds, then you speak. This is the way of, and this is the good practice. Like while speaking, few seconds, after few seconds, you took a pause, and it will help them. It's helped them to become a good speaker, good speak. So these things, and why, and now I discuss the why does need to why does need to live a consistent and discipline in your life, because without consistency and without discipline you cannot achieve in your life anything, like anything you cannot achieve. Consistency plays a crucial role in your life to achieve any something in your life. Something means whatever you want to, like everyone has a specific goal, so you can, like you don't live a whole life to discipline. Once you live a 6 months, 7 months, 1 year life, discipline life, so you once you complete the this life, so now, and next upcoming years you also lives try to live the discipline, and discipline is not a, like quite dangerous thing. It is the good thing to live a disciplined life, because everyone wants to live everyone wants to live a discipline, but no one can follow, no one can touch, no one can touch it. So if you no one can do it. If you are just, you can say that if you are live the type of life, then you 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 could it. And now if I talk about like if I talk about like a journey, and mostly people here the I'm speaking on the road, so while walking, so mostly people have seen what he has doing, so what he had, so what he has doing. So basically, sometimes I see the face of that people, so I feel like nervous. What they are what they are thinking about me, whatever. But basically, first neglect, bro. Whatever the people think, like it don't matter. Whatever you do, if you do the good work, if you are doing something. Something productive, then you can continue our work. You are not doing anything wrong. I'm know that I'm not. I know that, and I don't do the English something wrong, because I practice this English, and this English will come to practice, and this way to practice, this way to the good way to the practice of English, and really I try to maintain the consistency, because I don't I have I have not I don't have any other way to learn this language, and my placement journey will come near to me, and once I learn this language, then I speak in front of people, in front of interviewer very confidently whatever I think in my mind. So basically I have earlier used to start earlier used to start to speak this like this. So I think so. Basically, I learned. Basically, I feel like this, and the consistency is the only key of the success. Like in it, in the any field, like speaking field, I have basically grow. I have indulged ourselves to fully indulge ourselves in the study. I have multiple things for my my plate to do. I have multiple things for in my plate to do. So I because when I was in relationship, this is just bro see here. I don't I don't want to use here watch. Suddenly I don't know why am I using the watch. So basically bro this is come through the practice. You just listen me, just notice that too. I use when I go through the past just I used to like the sentences. I don't I use past sentences use. So basically these things are come through the practice. So come with the practice. So now we speak. So when I was in a relationship, so at that time I realized that this is not good, and mostly I'm thinking, I was thinking, I about I that girl. But in, when I was took the breakup at that girl, so I right now initially I felt like initially I was facing something issue, but now I after 2 months after I guess 2 or 3 months are left, so now I feel like happy. I take the I took a good decision at that time. So this is good, and whatever in your lives happened in past, they are good. This is good. You don't think about your past. You didn't think about the past, whatever you happened in your past. So just you are try to improve your present, and if you are improve your present, then future will automatically to be good. So I now I'm going to discuss the next topics like next topic is that what am I doing right now? I am basically I'm saying that I was saying that I am doing the multiple things right now, but I discuss in the videos what am I doing. Basically I have collected the like cloud computing. Like and I earlier I used to start to take the classes of MongoDB University where I learned the like MongoDB University like how the Mongols work like how to use the MongoDB the server. So all these are things and now I continuously and daily I practice real estate problem. Very important, very important every person's life because mostly students are don't do the coding, don't want to learn the DSA and everyone wants to get the placement of 13 LPA, 5 LPA, 6 LPA, but you don't know but they don't want to do the hard work. So basically DSA is open the door for the like there are multiple but when you start to take, when you want to get the MNC, take the job in MNC, so you can go through this path. Like you you can you go through like this path like DSA rounds. There are multiple rounds of DSA, and these are not the there is not any difficult easy rounds. They are giving the problems like a high level problem, thinking problems, and it will DSA shows your thinking process, how you think, how can you think, how can you how can you maintain the pressure and your pressure handling like this thing. So now I recorded the 20 minutes video here and I am very happy that this is my 13 day. I'm not able to speak like 13, 14. Sometimes I don't because my tongues are not bound, bound bounded at the certain words where this is it is come to the practice and I know that it will help them to know. Now I am discuss like first this is the first time I I go to I go to discuss my dream. I basically bro, I don't want to share the full my dream, but I give the overview of my dream. Basically, bro, I want to become a good engineer. Like a good engineer is not a good engineer. I want to earn the lots of money with them because I don't. I love. Earlier, I don't want to you. I earn the lots of money. Just I want to live the happy life with my family and life. These things. But nowadays, I want to earn the money, and मैं कितना money, how much money I can want to earn, I cannot say it to you. As much as possible to, as much as possible to earn this, as much as possible I can earn this money, I can earn it. I will earn it. So I can say you this thing. And now I can move to the next topic. And so I give you the advice to just to uh, start to do the work because this, these works are moving, going to very fast. If you are losing in one year, if you are lost, if you are lose of your life 1 year, like something happened in your life, and due to the accidents, like accident means not like physical relationship. If you are disturbed due to the breakups, you wasted our 1 year time. So this is not good. This is very worst thing in your life because just you think like that those they left you, they left it. So there are so many girls in the world. If we if we one left, there are multiple girls are there are so many girls are in the world. So you can choose another. You can work on yourself and make other girlfriends. This is simple, bro. Nothing to nothing any and she cannot. She is not last girl of their world. Just you can think this way. Just you start to think like this way. Like when I was in class 10 at that time I was very like introvert. Means I could not speak. I could not speak in front. I can usually I don't ask the teacher. I didn't ask the questions, any of the questions with the teachers. Just you can relate with them. So just you can relate to this. How could I how did I introvert at that time? But nowadays I am very comfortable to ask the questions with any teachers and go with any like anyone, go government employee or anyone, not matter that what is the positions, what he can. So I can just I communicate with him. Just I communicate with English and Hindi because I have confidence to. And just this is the 13th day now. When I when I when I will complete the 30 day of challenges to speak this language, then how much I. So just you think that how much will I become the confidence to speak this language. And even mostly I face a lots of problems in this to taking this language. Just I not like a single problem, multiple problems I faced. Once I learn this language, I promise to you here that I can do anything in my life using with the help of this language to achieve. I can achieve anything. I can achieve many things in my life while speaking this language. With the help of this language will open lots of opportunity in my life to just in these days students have a problem to speak this language in anywhere, and they cannot speak our thoughts and our feelings like whatever they want, whatever the things, just they cannot speak due to the reason they unable to they unable to take any job in any company, in any single company. If you are able to speak, then company the company always search who good employee. If you are a good employee is not that to work like a whole day. Company expects you to that to you are much able to quite able to express explain our thoughts and convey our thoughts with other people, communicate with and explain our project, so many things. Now I have recorded the 25-minute videos here, so now I recorded the 25-minute video here, and here I can let you give me the so एक मुझे ऑर्डर मैं इधर बंद कर मैं वीडियो को अब क्लोज करना आई वांट टू क्लोज हियर द वीडियो एंड आई विल मीट यू द नेक्स्ट वीडियो 14th day of I hope I will took the good interesting topics here. In fact, I will took the some interesting topic to where you can while listening you can enjoy, so you can feels like enjoy. So now I here and bye bye and take care and improve your life, work on yourself, work and do hard work. Now bye.